Yes, dunk it. Oh yeah, really good dunk with Anthony did it. I'm really competitive about everything, about sports, to who gets to press pause on the TV remote. Okay, timeout. My name is Harrison Shaw, and I'm in 5th grade. I live in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I'm a golfer. The earliest memory I probably have was probably when I was like 3 or something. I see pictures of me hitting the ball on that green right there.
He was playing at 1.5, you know, 2 years old, just because his older brothers, just trying to keep up with his older brothers. And so that's kind of how he got into it.
My mom and my dad love Tiger, and I've never seen him before, but when I did, he was just, I liked him.
He mentioned like Tiger. I think that's what got me interested in golf. Him, you know, back in the late 90s, 2000s, being so successful, being an African-American golfer. So as I got into it and the kids started playing.
His swing is just smooth, and he doesn't like stop at the ball. He comes all the way through. He has a grip that I'm trying to perfect. He does like this interlock grip where he does that, and I've been trying to perfect. So this is our wall where like we have all the past years from our school photos. So like that's my brother Gabe, and that's my brother Graham, and that's me. That was 4th grade last year. This is me. It doesn't look like me, but it's me. And yeah. So this is a weave basket that I made at Indian healthcare camp or wellness camp. If you can see, there's only like this right here. There's only like this little thing. That's what she provided us with. And then we had to start and we had to weave around and weave around and weave around. If we messed up, we had to go all the way back and weave around and weave around. And it looks cool. My mom's side of the family, everybody's Cherokee, and like it's kind of cool that since I'm a Cherokee in my golf game, I get to be on TV and that people will know me for playing golf and being Cherokee, so that would be nice.
Cherokee Nation gives you an opportunity
to
showcase how you're representing Oklahoma and the nation and doing big things.
And this is my collection, and I have all my trophies. This year, in 2018, I got this Oklahoma runner-up, so it was like the people from Oklahoma and around Oklahoma can come. I was actually the best Oklahoma kid for my age. And this is from the World Championship that I got because I placed 18th. I played at Pinehurst this summer. I played with people from all around the world, and I'm 18th best in the world. I placed 60th the year before, so like it was better than 60th. But then one day I was like, I gotta be top 20. So I played with 157 people out of the world. It felt good that I've known that I'm the 18th best 10-year-old in the world. So me and my dad will go to the golf course probably like 3 days a week.
I'm his caddy, also his psychologist. Try to keep him calm. The main thing is, like any sport, you know, you have a coach and he's telling you I try to tell him the things that he can't see.
My dad reminds me a lot, so like I try to incorporate it, but if I miss one thing, my dad's there to tell me how to fix it and how to get it through my head.
One thing about Harrison is even though at the actual moment you tell him he's resistant, he's a quick learner.
Most of the time, you just want to like pursue it and like be the best at it because everybody around you is getting better, and like you have to get better if you want to get to the next level and be at the top. To practice a lot if you want to be good at something. Like we go outside, we just practice, and I have a putting green in my hallway that I just practice on like 30 minutes a day, just practice my putting or my stroke. When you practice, it's like you have to commit to it. So like if you commit to academics, you commit to your homework, you commit to reading, you commit to everything that you do, and you'll get better at it. Like golf and putting, that's one thing that I've brought to my school, and everything else, you gotta commit to what you wanna do.